How to disable calls on Messenger app. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can disable the calls on Messenger app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to disable calls on the Messenger app, the only thing that you can do right now is, let's say you don't want to get a call from a certain somebody and you just want to avoid that person from a single person, then you can actually just try to mute their call notifications, right? But if you want to remove the notifications and calls from the Messenger app itself as a whole, then I would recommend you turn off notifications of Messenger by just tapping on the I button here. Then once you tap the I button over here, you will see this interface. You can go to notifications. Then from here you can go to notification categories. You can just turn off calls notification. If you want other notification but not calls, then you can just turn off call notifications. Next time you will not get notifications for calls on Messenger. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.